In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple protein spinach smoothie that will supercharge your body with essential nutrients while helping you feel full and sustained so that you can kickstart your day. I will also explain the health benefits of having this healthy smoothie as part of a regular diet and how simple it is to prepare in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling meal consists of only 6 simple ingredients that are easily accessible, and you will literally find them around your home. And these ingredients consist of 1 cup of baby spinach, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, 1 to 2 scoops of protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which is 23 calories and 2.9 grams of protein, half a cup of ice cubes, and half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. There's 20 calories and 2.5 grams of fat. Once you have all the items gathered together, place all of the contents in the blender and mix them together until you have a consistent texture, and then you can enjoy. So this is a super simple meal that won't take long to prepare and will be a perfect start to your morning, and will keep you full and satisfied so that you can go about your day. And if you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of any future content, and as always, thanks for watching.